up, everybody? My name is Ashley Nicole for those who don't know me, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe down below because you don't want to miss this face. But anyway, today, as you can see by the title, I think I've done this before. I think I've done this year already, but I know for a fact I did it a while back. But if I done it this year, then if you see my previous video, you would know that I do eyeshadow now. Yay. So there's a different way. It's not too much different, but it's different enough for me to show y'all like how I do my eyebrows, so it could be prepped for my eyeshadow. So if you guys want to see the new way I do my eyebrows, then keep watching. Most of this is mainly the same, you know, do my eyebrows, carve it out, but I actually use two different new colors to carve my eyebrows out with, just so I can, you know, get that vibrant color for my eyeshadow and make it natural at the top than what it already was. So if you're an OG and you see my previous videos of me doing my eyebrows, then you would know that I use LA Girl Pro concealer at the bottom and the top to carve my eyebrows out with in taffy, but we ain't using that today. So if you see me use, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but those are sirens. But if you can hear it, I apologize. But if you see me using any of these brushes with the gold, with like the little bronze ends or whatever, I got those from BH Cosmetics. They had a sale a couple months ago, so I grabbed these. And I think it was a pack of 24 brushes. You know, BH Cosmetics are cheap. They're very affordable and are good for beginners. So if you're a beginner in makeup, I suggest you go to bhcosmetics.com and get you some brushes and some eyeshadow palettes, because them things are affordable. I will have the name and the link to where I got these from. Not sponsored, so I'm just helping y'all out, especially if y'all are beginners. But if you're advanced, then these are some good affordable brushes, especially if you're a makeup artist. So these are from BH Cosmetics. They have a lot of them. So okay, I'm very up close and personal with y'all. So as y'all can see, if I look down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. So as y'all can see, these hideous brows, I'm in the growing out stage again. This one is not so bad. It's actually how I want it. I just want my tail to grow to here. It's trying, we getting there. But this one, after I did the growing out stage, I kind of messed it up right here, but my hair never grows here, so we just gonna disregard that. So I just take my spoolie and brush my hairs up. And then if you OG, then you know I use this and only this from the beauty supply store, and this is in the color, it's Absolute New York, and it's in the color brown, NF056. So it's like a triangular tip, and this is the only thing I use for my brows. And I'm just going to do what I do. I just follow the outline of my brows. This natural lighting, because I'm sitting in front of a window, so this is like really picking up all that color. Usually it looks dark brown, and I use brown because that's the color of my hair. So once I fill it into here, then I use the point and I flip up. To make it kind of look like it's my natural hair. It may look crazy now, but we gonna fix it. Then I'm gonna just speed up and do the other side. I be having to do a little work with this side cause so much going on. Now you can see they look like this. Now we're just going to carve them out. So I'm going to use a really flat brush from BH Cosmetics. Use a flat brush, and I'm going to still use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to use the color Creamy Beige. And what I like to do new is I like to put the product on my hand so I can control, because I used to get it off here, but I can control it better here. So I'm going to take just enough. And then I do this too, because sometimes when you squeeze, I know for some people it do this, but if you squeeze this, you squeeze LA Girl Pro Concealer in any color, I know for a fact if you do the white color, I forgot what you call it, start with a P I think, but if you do the really light white color, it like come out in this oil, like oil comes out of it right along with the color. So I don't too much like that, so I like to squeeze it out on my hand. And I'm just gonna take some, we'll take a lot. Remember I used to take a little, I take about that much. And then I do this new method. It's the unibrow method. I got this from one of my Facebook Live people I follow. And it's basically so you can line your eyebrows up right. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it don't. You hear those sirens again, I apologize. But I'm just going to carve my eyebrows out and you'll see what is new. And as you saw, as I'm laying it down, I drag it down because we're going to use this excess onto my lid for my eyeshadow. I did my eyebrows a couple days ago, but it's almost time to get them done again. So it look hideous right now. Basically me doing the unibrow method. Now for the top of my brows, because I don't want it to be this harsh at the top and create that halo eye, that whatever, I hate that. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Matte Fit Me foundation in the color 335. which is classic tan bronze. And I'm just going to use a little bit of that to carve the top. First, I forgot, I'm moving too fast. I need to blend out my brows. Should have did that before I carved. See how it looks natural versus this one. You see the difference? Now we're going to carve the top of my brows. I don't really put this on the back of my hand. I just take what's in the top. A little dot. And that's basically it. Now last, I'm going to take some Eyebrow. This has no name on it. I need to get a new one. But if you're OG, you no longer had this. So this is my Eyebrow. I only know because it still got the little, just a little bit of logo left. It's my Eyebrow clear brow gel. And I just set my brows with it, so it won't move. So this is how I do my eyebrows. Excuse how they look right now. I'm about to actually film a part 2 to show y'all my eyeshadow, and I'm going to do a breast cancer awareness look for y'all because it's October and why not. So if y'all want to see my first eyeshadow tutorial on this channel of mine, I'm very proud to say that now, then stay tuned for the next video. Keep watching.